Yashoda Realty. Yashoda Realty Group is one of Pune's most prestigious and trusted construction groups, known for its integrity and commitment in every project. With over 10 ongoing projects in the prime residential areas of Pune, we are redefining urban lifestyle in the city. Since last 2 decades, Yashoda Realty has grown consistently to be a powerful and trusted name in the real estate sector. Our sincere efforts and dedication to building affordable, clean and green homes has earned us many accolades and the love of all our buyers. We all are looking for that one place that we call our home. A place where there is peace, prosperity and spirituality. A place of your own with world-class amenities and within a touching distance of not one but 3 spiritual and divine deities. Today, finding such perfect blend is difficult, but not so difficult with Yashoda Realty's splendid park. A magnificent site situated at the Moshi Alandi Road, Dudulgaon. We call it Dudulgaon Central. Situated right at the center of the all nearby hotspots of Moshi area. Splendid Park is the place of your dreams. With a choice of spacious 1 or 2 BHK homes at highly competitive price, we guarantee you that you will not get such splendid prices anywhere in Pune. Yashoda Splendid Park is at the epicenter of the complete Moshi area. The site is just 30 minutes away from Viman Nagar and Wakad. Chakan and Vishrantwadi are just 20 minutes away. If you are in an IT company or in the manufacturing sector, we have got you covered. IT parks of Pune, Talavde, Kharadi, Hinjewadi, Viman Nagar are just 20 to 30 minutes drive from the Yashoda Splendid Park. You will reach to all MIDCs such as Chakan, Bhosri, Merkel MIDC within 15 to 20 minutes. Splendid Park is just 20 minutes from Pune Station and Pimpri Chinchwad. Within 20 to 30 minutes, you will reach to city's shopping destinations such as Phoenix Market City, Spine City Mall, D-Mart, Big Bazaar, City One Mall. Prestigious schools, colleges, hospitals, banks and ATMs are also easily accessible. ICC Exhibition Center and proposed Safari Park is also in the same vicinity. And if you are looking for that divine and spiritual solace, Alandi's Sant Jnaneshwar Temple, Sant Tukaram Maharaj Temple, Prati Gajanan Maharaj Temple and Sai Mandir are just 5 to 10 minutes away. Splendid Park offers you 20 plus world-class amenities such as clubhouse, swimming pool, gymnasium, children's play area, amphitheater, multipurpose hall, landscape garden, solar-powered street lights, rainwater harvesting, book library, advanced security system and much more. You can fully transform your life with the best in the business lifestyle features offered by Yashoda Splendid Park. You will enjoy each moment of your life with Yashoda Splendid Park. For us, a house is not just made of brick and walls. It is made to create memories. Every house is a home where you and your family live happily ever after.